So, magluto tayo ng fish. So, ayan yung egg. Ganyan-ganyan muna natin. Batiin natin. Alright? This is for my lunch. Alright? Perfect. Then, we put this one. Alright? So, nag-gloves tayo para hindi mangamoy ang ating kuko. Alright? Perfecto. Para sa fish. I-coat natin yung fish dito, right? Alright. Alright. Lagyan natin siya ng konting soy sauce. Likam ki, baka naman. Right. Then mix, mix, mix. So, ito na yung pinaka-salt ko dun sa fish. Sa white fish. Right? Alright. Right. Then, mainit na yung kalan. Lagyan natin siya ng corn oil. Baka naman. Ayan. So, ayan. Lagyan natin ng konting oil. Right. Painitin muna natin. Right. Eto na. Right. So, eto is the white fish, guys. So, ilagay natin dyan. Then, ating i-fried. Iperito. Alright. Yan. Lagay muna natin dyan. So, dahil mainit na guys, so, ilagay na natin. Alright. So, eto na guys, ang aking tanghalian. Very easy to cook. Alright. Lagay na natin. Pampasarap tong dahon-dahon guys. And of course, the egg. Right? Alright. I-leave muna natin ang few more minutes. Alright? See? Alright. So, here it is. Nag-form na siya. Ayan. Very easy. Right? Alright. Ang bango guys. Promise. So, very easy. Boneless tong fish na to. So, very easy to cook. At masarap. So, yan ang aking food today. Right? So, leave muna natin. Alright. So, ipinatagilid ko yung kabila. Then, ito naman. Lagyan na natin tong kabila. Alright? Ayan. Perfect. Ang bango guys, promise. Yan. Alright, so let's see this one. Wow! My God, smell good. Alright, so konti lang yung oil. Alright, perfect. So this is for our food for today. Right. Alright. Ito lang, masarap na ang ulam natin. Hirap na may baliktad. Alright. Perfect. Ooh, yum. O, diba? Alright, guys. So, this is my day and it's my food for today. Thanks for watching. Bye. Yum, yum, yum. Right. Bye, guys. Bye.